Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative Reviews. Today we're here with 3 portable devices and none of them are a PC. What I've done is I've gotten rid of my PC. I got rid of it maybe 2 months ago. It's September now. Yeah, about 2 months in July. And for the last few months I've been living solely with tablets or phones or phone. The full-size iPad, 9.7-inch iPad, the iPad mini, and the iPhone 5. All of these ones here have cellular, Verizon, and AT&T. For these two it's optional. For this one, of course, it is the only option to have it with a cellular provider. But I want to talk a little bit about what I've been doing without having an iPad. There are only 2 difficult things that I've had or I've run into without having an a PC. One is printing things up on eBay, where you have to use, I sell things on eBay. For example, I'm selling this iPad on eBay. It's already been sold, but I had to print out a shipping label because I had to print out everything from home. Thank God my mother has a PC and she'll let me use it. So I have to print out the, I go to eBay's website and I click print the shipping label, but that's something that you can only do on a PC. If you want to print out something, let's say a syllabus for your next class or something that has to do with a PDF, you can easily open it up in a very usable app, which I like to use. It's called Printer Pro. And you can easily open up anything on there. You can take a picture of the screen, you can pull up a PDF or create a Word document and print it easily on any printer that's connected to Wi-Fi. We have HP printers. They connect really easily to these iPads, and it's great to use pretty much for anything that I need. Any schoolwork or work, I can print it up there. The only thing I found is the problem is those eBay shipping labels, and I suppose any shipping label that that you would have to print out, I don't know, to send to UPS, USPS, or what is it, FedEx. Other than that, it's pretty good. There is one more problem. Let me think about this here. All these are portable. All these have cellular options. Of course, PCs, they really don't have any cellular options, which is a reason why I don't use it. Oh, very important for me. You're probably watching this on YouTube. Well, of course you're watching this on YouTube. I've been doing creative reviews for over a year now, and I like to view my statistics. It's very hard to view statistics on here on YouTube's actual website without running into some problems. Where I look at my analytics, it doesn't show me things clearly. Sometimes it says it can't show me, or it just doesn't show me what they are, which means I have to go to a PC or go to one of the secondary websites to find out what the statistics are here. So in very limited cases, I run into websites that don't work. Of course, anything with Flash doesn't work, but I really haven't had any problems with Flash. It's just YouTube. You'd think that YouTube, an application or a website that's viewed all over the place, would be perfectly, fine with this, but it just doesn't work. It doesn't show me this analytics, and it's very hard to make adjustments to my page, to edit the trailer, to do anything on a tablet. And I don't know why. I just believe it's Google trying to be a little bit difficult. I have not tried it out on an Android tablet or Android phone, but I assume it would be the same there too. All I can say is a lot easier to do any adjustments on YouTube or view the analytics on a PC. It was quick, but it's a little bit small because I'm still going to be making videos, but if I wanted to make this an exact science, I'd be very hard pressed to find a good way, an easy way to find out my statistics and analyze that too. I love having these be portable devices. I love being able to take these wherever I want. I love the battery life on it. But there's just a few things that are limiting. There are thorns in my side, which lead me to believe that at least for the next few months, until they make some updates, maybe iOS 7 will fix things, but until they make those updates, you may want to keep your PC, even a cheap little laptop somewhere, to print out necessary documents things that you don't want, that you don't want to risk losing. You want to make sure those things are printed out perfectly, and you can use an external hard drive with a PC. You can't really do that here. You have iCloud storage, but that means you have to be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. But if you had a laptop, you could easily take it anywhere and just pull out your external hard drive and load anything up there. Storage capacity is another thing that I miss. This has 16, this has 16, this is 32. Of course, you can go up to 128 gigabytes of storage for the full-size iPad, but that's pretty costly. And you can only do 64 on the two of these for now. So if you want and have a lot of things to store and don't want to use a cloud, you're going to be, you can't. You simply can't unless you want to back these up to a PC, which is one of the points I want to cover here. I have not backed these up to a PC at all. I've been perfectly fine, except for music and movies that I've downloaded outside of iTunes. Can't watch them. Can't upload them back up here. For example, I used, what is it? Another, like, let's see, what is this? I went to an outside website where I downloaded some music. I can't view it, or I can't listen to it on any of these devices without first loading it up on a PC and then connecting this to the PC. Without it, that music is just stuck on the external hard drive. That's a pretty sad thing, so I'm pretty much tied into iTunes. If you don't like iTunes, you can't download, let's say, Lil Wayne's new mixtape, The Dedication 5. You just can't. You can maybe try and jailbreak it, but if you don't want to jailbreak it, you are stuck. You cannot get music or movies outside of, or you can't download it outside of iTunes. Of course, you can stream movies on different services, and that's fine, but if you're not around Wi-Fi, and if you don't want to use your cellular data up because you have capped data plan, you can't do it. And that's just unfortunate, because with a PC, you could take your laptop anywhere and have all that, non-iTunes content loaded up, and you could easily view it anywhere. Of course, we're talking about laptops, not talking about your desktops, and I believe you're only keeping your desktop if you need things like QuickBooks or AutoCAD or something powerful like that. Even though the higher-end laptops can do that too, but the PC, the home PC is your base, but I see that moving on to the home-size tablet, the larger tablets. There's even a rumored 13.3-inch full-size iPad, which I think people will start getting and start using instead of their PCs, except for those extremely high, intense graphic programs and stuff that takes a lot of processing power, which these can't do yet. But for me, I've been fine. All I do is look at YouTube, I do my homework on here, I work, and I've been perfectly fine with this, except for the reasons I stated earlier. But I'll be doing more reviews. Like I said, I'm getting rid of the iPad to upgrade when it finally comes out, maybe in October. Until then, I only will have these two, so I'll let you know again how post-PC life is with only a smaller tablet and a phone, and without the large tablet. But for now, it's been pretty fine. Thank God people let me borrow their PCs when I need them. Alright, this has been Matt, and we've been talking about a post-PC life. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have anything else you want me to cover, ask me in the comments. Please subscribe. And find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Blogger. Let us know what you like and what you don't like. And I'll see you guys next time.